Hello everyone, this video is a daily roundup for the Money Squared YouTube channel. We suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed because I talk slow a bit in English. We start with GBPJPY. Previous week we closed bullish, this week we rejected on the first day with a huge 220 pip downside move. We saw that we had this, we already discussed on our weekly forecast that we need these levels to respect in order to retest this low, because we create a new low, came back, we just need some resistance to form and to retest these lows, or if we want to move up we must go above this level here. So but I didn't expect, to be honest, this huge move today. On the 4 hour we as soon as the day opened on Sunday, the market just started the next 4 hour till after Tokyo open, just price pushed down. Let's go on the 1 hour to check exactly when it pushed down. Yeah, on Tokyo open, pre-Tokyo and Tokyo open, look, it moved hugely down and then it just consolidated in London, and then pre-NY prices started up and moving up, correcting the move. This was the analysis on the pre-NY when what I was expecting, a candle closure above here and then we to retest this traffic here. But now that I go and I see in the 1 hour it makes sense, but you can see we have a resistance here, and also on the 4 hour we have this rejection here. But so in 1 hour we made this candle here, and on the break of this candle we technically moved 20 pips, 22 pips, but stop loss would be already 33 pips, so it would not be feasible to enter this trade, or if we would have entered we would be taking out, because I would not, probably I would just move stop loss to break even after we break these highs, but then not a winning trade anyway. That's the important thing, either break even or a loss trade, depends on the risk management. And then we should immediately back down. At 4 o'clock we create this candle, and then at 5 o'clock we create this bearish candle. At 6 o'clock, breaking all these lows with stop loss here 15 pips, eventually at 30 pips would have been perfect sells to retest the lows at 30 pips, and possibly these lows here at 60 pips, which would be a brilliant trade. But unfortunately that is too late for us. I was not in front of the chart, I was out. So yeah, this is what happened on GJ today. Now daily probably is gonna close on 16 minutes, it's gonna close like this. 1 hour probably just now we even take out this lows here, this support here, we came back inside this range. Probably today we just tomorrow we just gonna make a new high here, lower high here, correcting a bit this move, depending where we find resistance, either here or here. So either here we find resistance or here, based on these previous levels to the left hand side, and then we will probably retest this whole region, correct this whole region, continue down, or it's gonna be too much for the segment. That's what normally it should be done. We should just wait where the resistance is gonna be formed, because probably it can come up to even here, correct the move up to this most recent support, make it confirm it as a resistance, and then move back down. Let's go on gold. First of all, let's go on the daily. On daily time frame we closed bullish on bearish on Friday. On Monday we just take out the highs and then flip back down bearish, which is surprisable because we had a good start. I mean, obviously, look, we had buys above here with confirmation, but obviously this whole region was a demand zone, so this was a very strong resistance, especially after this very free, the highest point of all this huge impulsive move was very close to here, so not very high probability of retesting this, but of taking out this level here, because this probably, after making this low, this level has a lot of demand of order for sellers to continuing to the downside, and not taking out this lost significant lower high. that made after this new lower low was created. So but we opened the market here with a bearish candle after Tokyo, and on London we moved up. We take out these highs here with this huge candle move at London Open, which was around 80 pips. So I was waiting for this. I was saying to myself, probably this momentum will continuing up, but after this 1 hour rejection here, I had this trading plan here. Okay, let's go here. I had this, yeah, after this rejection plan candle, and the next one closing the body below, breaking the low, closing below after 3 minutes. This candle was 1 hour candle, 3 minutes to close, so I was waiting the next candle to form like this, and then because I was waiting to retest the high, creating a low, and then retesting the high, but to retest the high was the support needed to be found, so that's not very valid. What is valid is this one, I think, that we saw price. Wait, so this was the analysis at the pre-NY open, and then this is what exactly happened. So as you can see on this candle, the next candle just shoot up and mirrored this candle, just like we wrote, just like we predicted there. And it's interesting because after this candle closure here, we anticipated a candle to come up to this level, but I was anticipating obviously for support here to form to retest the high. But anyways, in this huge momentum, gold just kept going down, 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 down. But the perfect entry, which I didn't take unfortunately, this trade, the trade idea was like this, something like this. But then you can see could have been a crazy move, or at least till this support level. So yeah, this is what happened on gold. Huge move to the downside, took out these higher lows, all made these whole support regions. So tomorrow I expect just like GBPJPY coming back, forming a daily wick, and then either continuing down or just staying in this range, because as you can see, when we break into this range, we stay a bit, we break, we make a fake out, come back. So this whole range here is, as you in this previous, it's a very significant level for gold. So I don't expect to break as of yet, since we're already very close to. But if we break, obviously we have very clean traffic to this low here, to this new demand zone here, where a lot of market jumping into buyers or sellers. But if we take these lows here, I expect sellers to be in control till this level here. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to the channel. But these analysis, by the way, these videos are on the Discord. These pictures are sent daily on Discord, so you may want to join. The link is on the description.